Hello, good morning students. Hope everything is fine. Today I am going to discuss your next chapter, that is payment gateways. So in this chapter what are the things we are going to learn? Payment gateways, payment processor, online transaction and role of payment gateways, importance of payment gateways, securing online transactions. So first we need to know payment gateways. A payment gateway is a service that secures payment for e-commerce website. Payment gateway facilitate these transactions by communicating between a website and the bank. So it's a e-commerce website, through e-commerce website. When you want to pay, the payment gateway, the the communication is always in the form of computer codes. Payment gateway play an important role in e-commerce transaction by authorizing the payment between the merchant, that's the online store, and the customer. So from where we purchase the things, there's a merchant, there's the online stores, and customer. That means we. So these things we are very much familiar with that. So some of the common popular payment gateway we operate in the worldwide, that is PayPal, Secure Pay, and some of the popular payment gateways are CC, Cyrus Pay, PayU Money. So these are the payment gateways, popular payment gateways we have. Now next we need to know what is payment processor. Payment processor is a service that relay transaction between information between the merchant payment gateway, that is the issuing bank, that is issuing bank means the bank that issues the customer's card, and the acquiring bank, the merchant's bank. So is a process, is a service, there is a transaction, it's a transaction information between the issuing bank, that means the bank that issuing the customer's card, and acquiring bank, that means the merchant's bank, which are getting the payment. There are many payment processor we choose. Okay, there are many some of the popular payment processors are PayPal, Due, Square, BitPay. So these are the payment processor. Payment processor and payment gateway are an important part of an online transaction. So nowadays we are very much familiar and we are very much dependent and useful online transactions. So online transaction, to do the online transaction, payment gateway and payment processor are very important. The difference between a payment processor and a payment gateway, what is the difference? Gateway authorizes the transfer of fund between the merchant and the customer. So it authorizes, and processor analyze and transmit the transaction data between the payment gateway and the bank. So this is the main basic difference between these two. Now next section we have online transaction and role of payment gateway. So online, so when we do online transaction, how it happens? So how it happens, what is the background behind a card of a background, what is going on? A customer click the buy product and picking the product on the online store, online store or merchant on the browser. The thing what we do, the customer browsers encrypt the transacted data for security purpose. That means total things as encrypted for the security purpose, and sends to the merchant server. The merchant server forwards the transaction detail to their payment gateway. The payment gateway authenticate the online store. The most important thing is that to authenticate the online store. Next, what is going on after authentication? If it is correct, after authentication the payment gateway shows the available payment method to the customer. Yes, correct. Next, once the customer picks a payment method, the payment gateway transmits the details to the payment processor employed to the payments merchant's bank. The merchant bank passes this information to the customer's bank that has issues the card. So the issuing bank, that is the bank which issues the customer's card. over the customer's credit or debit limit. So it checks customer's debit or credit limit and the payment method validity and sends a response. That's a payment method validity, that payment how he or she can give and what his or her credit or debit limit, approved or rejected, the payment process. The payment processor then sends the response to the payment gateway. Finally, the payment gateway communicates the response to the website where a relevant message is displayed about the transaction and also to the merchant server. So this is the whole transaction is going on inside a card when you go for a online shopping and if we wish to buy it and when you are going to buy it. Now, what are the importance of payment gateways? Some of the importance I just go through. A payment gateway provides a payment gateway provider ensures that payment processing is secure and bring down the frequency as well as severity of the fraud. That's the most important. Payment gateway providers can be set up in a very short time and with low cost for maintenance. This is also the most important thing. Next, payment gateway are easy to use and support multiple currencies and offer multiple payment method which improve the experience of online commerce. So these are the importance a payment gateway should have. Now next thing comes to our mind, that how to secure an online transaction. That is the main and major important thing. To secure the online transaction, there are some security protocols are there. What are the? SSL, Secure Socket Layer, PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standards, 3D Secure, Anti-Fraud Tool. So what are they? And first we need to know what is protocol. Some of you already knew it. Protocol means a set of rules and instruction that provides a framework on the exchange or transmission of data between the devices. So it's a set of rules or protocols we should follow. So SSL, what is it? It's a protocol that encrypts the payment and card data. Because it is important to do the encryption, it is mandatory for all online transactions to follow this protocol. SSL keeps the data secure and private. Next is that PCI DSS. It lists the various rules or guidelines that need to be fulfilled to secure payment processing information. This standards was created to reduce the credit card fraud. 3D Secure is an additional security protocol for card transaction where customer is required to authenticate, which we known as OTP or secure PIN to create the customer for every online transaction. Nowadays we are very familiar with that, very much familiar with that. Next is that anti-fraud tool. It is known as fraud scrap technology and is employed by payment gateway to scan and monitor every online transaction that gateway execute and provide security from fraudulent transactions. Now in anti-fraud tools there are some anti-fraud tools. Here it is written, three have been written. One is address verification system, AVS. What is the use of that tool? AVS means address verification tool verifies whether the billing and IP address provided by the cardholder is correct. That is one of the good security for online transaction. Next is that geolocation check, then is velocity check. Next is geolocation check, that is the location. It checks the location from the card is being used and the IP address of the user device. Identify fraudulent transactions. Next is third is that velocity check. Velocity check prohibits multiple transactions with the same card number or user details within a specific time. This can stop misuse of card by fraudsters to try to make several successful transactions within a short period of time. So students, these are the securing online transaction and their tools. So this is a very important chapter, and from today's regarding the today's online transaction, it's a very important things has given. We should know these things. So please go through the chapter. If you have any doubt, any query, please contact me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.